This video will discuss the proper receiving and storage of the MxP Quant 1000 kits. The Quant 1000 kit is shipped in 4 packages, 2 boxes for each MX Quant and LX Quant parts. Components which require continuous cooling are shipped on dry ice in light blue boxes. Carefully remove the boxes from the dry ice. Store all the light blue boxes containing the filter plates and consumables directly at -80 degrees Celsius and take note of their respective expiration dates. Check the warm mark and documentation inside the box and photograph for your records. While other components are shipped at ambient temperature in dark blue boxes. The MX Quant light blue kit box contains 2 96-well filter plates and 2 vial boxes for the PITC and NPH parts of the kit. Keep the MX Quant PITC and NPH plates in their plastic bags which are sealed under nitrogen until use. The MX Quant dark blue box, which is stored at ambient temperature, contains 2 capture plates with silicone coverings and 1 plastic tube for derivatization. The LX Quant light blue box will contain either 1 or 2 LXQ 96-well filter plates and vial box. Keep the LX Quant plates in their plastic bags, which are sealed under nitrogen until use. The LX Quant dark blue box, which is stored at ambient temperature, contains 3 capture plates with silicone coverings and 4 FIA ampules